Hey guys, Tim Swanson here, and today I have another puppet introduction. It is Wordsworth the Parrot, as seen on cartoon form in World Animals, and like some books. And then you have, and for puppet appearances, he appeared in Baby Wordsworth, On the Go, Discovering Shapes, World Music, and World of Rhythm. Why World Music, you may ask? Well, this guy and the World Music Parrot are technically the same shape, just different colors. That's how. That's how. Some other characters have that too, like Beethoven, Georgia, Vivaldi, Legend of Lord Duck, of course the zebras are always interchangeable. And then same thing with like the Cleanup King and the Bubbles Elephant by Legends and Lore. Similar to, and a couple of other characters I can't name at the top of my head. But yeah. Oh, and the purple cow and the black and white cow. Yeah. Anyways, so now all I need from the only puppets I need from Baby Wordsworth are the mice, which are Misty and Violet, which I hate to say it, but I might buy Red Box for replicas of them sometime, since I'm so desperate to buy the originals, and I can't find them, unfortunately. Let's see, how many puppets do I have from On the Go? I have Nathan the raccoon, the hippo, baby hippo. It's the same character, so that doesn't count. The penguin, the flamingo, this guy, Pavlov, Stella, and the Dave Privet pig. So I think I have all the puppets from On the Go. And then the only puppets I need from this, the only puppet I need left from Discovering Shapes is the squirrel, so I can do my favorite puppet show in the video. And then I think I might have all the puppets from World War. I'm not sure. Let's see, I have Kitsu Jane, Kitsu Pavlov. Okay, I might need to make the tiger. And the kangaroo. I think that can be arranged easily. I was watching F is for Family a little bit ago. But, anyway, the only puppets I need from World of Rhythm are, since I have this, Bard, and the Kitsu Duck, I will only need Coco, Pilly, and the parrot from World Music that looks like this, but with different colors, like an orange beak and turquoise wings and hair. So yeah, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. See y'all later. Goodbye.